you gain access to my rate sheet folder. Now, what is this rate sheet folder? A lot of vendors from different parts of the world and within India send across to me certain rate sheets of theirs. Let's take an example of Kashmir, where my vendor would send me a 3 nights package cost, a 4 nights package cost, a 5 nights package cost, or a 6 nights package cost. And he will give me what is the pricing for a 2-star hotel, 3-star hotel, 4-star hotel, 5-star hotel, what is the total price for the package. And he also gives me, if 4 people travel together instead of 2, the price will reduce by this much. If 6 people travel together instead of 2, the price will be this much. Now, how does this benefit? One, if someone asks you for a Kashmir package, you can instantly open the rate sheet, get the rate, and give the proposal to the client. 2, you could create your own packages and start promoting to your circle of people with this rate sheet help. 3, these rates are mostly the best rate possible, because since it's an offered package rate, they would always give it a lower margin. And so with this pricing, you could definitely be confident that your prices are going to be lower. Similarly, vendors from Egypt sends me the pricing sheets, and pretty much a lot of countries, not all, but a lot. Also, hotels send us direct rate sheets with net pricing, which is not available on an online system. You can utilize that to make greater profits. You gain access to vehicle vendors from different parts of India, so you can directly reach out to them to just book your cabs. You get visa instructions, what are the documents required. All these are available in the rate sheet access folder, which you get access to once you join.